storming.
No, I never really realized this. Look how many colors there are
So dear.
Oh God.
We're getting this pretty awesome. It's like,
It's so windy.
we're having so much fun.
Yeah. Probably where there should be better.
Tyler, what if my roof starts leaking?
Our roof is gonna leak probably.
Shit.
Oh God damn. Ah, shit's getting crazy.
I feel like it's not that cat. And the thing's getting screaming on.
No, I feel like when you sing, I like the walk.
It's pretty windy.
Maybe if I didn't have slippers on. All it needs is to start snowing and then I'd be done with Illinois.
That was an epic string. I saw both of them.
Oh, I missed that.
I was looking right at
Where
both
was
of them.
it?
Right
Come on, I
between-
need to
right
get a good
between-
lightning strike.
Right between the tree and the lamp. Okay. It was like one right after the other. It was epic.
I know. Damn it.
Somebody told us a day and a half not going anywhere tonight.
Are you sure?
Yeah. On your tornado watch for 3+ hours, probably longer.
Come on, do some good lightning. I need some lightning in my vlog. It's not doing it. It's not making any lightning. Fuck.
Okay,
Bad
that's
storm.
true. Oh my god, the red?
Yeah, the severe part hasn't hit us
Wait,
yet.
where are we at?
It's
Not
just,
severe yet.
Yeah, it's just
When will
about
it be
to hit
here?
us.
Oh, where's the red dot?
Soon?
Oh, shit.